Hello friends, myself Kushagra. I enrolled in Akash Byju's in 2019 for foundation and then in 2021 for 2-year medical. My father is a businessman and my mother is housewife. When I was in 9th, I came to know that my interest was in science and that was too in medicine. It is my parents' dream and my wish to become a great doctor and to serve the needy people. Medical field is a noble profession and it gives a doctor a great satisfaction that his knowledge of years long will be used to save a person's life. I came to know about Akash Byju's from TV advertisements and I had pre-decided that I would prepare for NEET, so to get a competitive environment I joined Akash Byju's. I heard about NTHE. The first time I gave NTHE was in 2019, through which I got admission in foundation batch and got 90% scholarship. Then in 2021, I again gave NTHE, in which I secured AIR 45 and got 100% scholarship. NTHE is an all India level exam and it provides an exposure to compete among lakhs of candidates and also provides the students opportunity to get an all India rank. NTHE also gives a scholarship and a great reduction in the fees at classroom course. In this competitive world, it's very necessary to start early. So I took decision to take admission in Akash. It also helped me to improve my basics in physics and chemistry, and it also improved my knowledge in these subjects. In class 10th, I also prepared for Olympiad like PRMO, which also helped me to improve my problem solving skills. The role of my parents was very crucial in the 2 years of NEET journey. Whenever I used to get good marks, they used to praise me, but whenever I used to get less marks, they always tried to motivate me so that I could perform well in the next test. The teachers at Akash Byju's are highly experienced and supporting. Whenever I used to feel low, I used to talk to them and they always motivated me. And because of them, my doubts were never remained pending. Teachers played a pivotal role in my NEET journey. My strategy was that after completing each chapter from module, I used to solve previous year questions of board exam. Also, in my daily timetable, I used to give 2 hours for solving subjective papers, which was suggested by my teachers. Also, Akash Byju's provides us subjective practice papers for board preparation. As we know that the entire paper of NEET comes from NCERT either in a direct way or a bit twisted way. So I read NCERT multiple times. Also, Akash Byju's provided us NCERT maps and Know Your NCERT books, which helped me boost my confidence in NEET preparation. During the last month, my target was to go through all the important previous year questions of NEET and read NCERT multiple times. Also, regular tests were provided by Akash Byju's like FTS and AIATS. These tests helped me to knowing my weak areas and rectifying my mistakes. Also, I would suggest all NEET aspirants to never to compromise their sleep, because proper sleep helps in retaining the memory. In my 2-year journey, I never had any smartphone. In urgent cases, in case of asking doubts from my teacher, I used to take my mother's phone. In my free time, besides using mobile, I used to take a power nap or go outside to take fresh air, which boosted my memory retention. My advice for NEET aspirants would be that they should read NCERT as many times as possible, especially for bio and chemistry. For physics, they should solve as many questions as possible. Akash Byju's also provides us high quality study material in terms of module, NCERT maps and Know Your NCERT. In this 2-year journey, students should also take care of their health. Wish you all the best and thank you.